What's up everyone? In this video I want to walk you through 3 trades I took today. I made over 7,000 on the day and I'm going to show you the exact trades I took, walk you through my thought process. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you do not miss on any of my upcoming videos. So the trade that I called out live in Team Bull today was on SPX. I was watching this 4,500 area for a put entry on SPY, or you could trade puts on SPX, or you could have went short on ES futures. Me personally, I purchased SPY put and I went short on ES futures off this level. My first entry was right here. I added to my position here, getting my average down to 115 on the SPY puts, tomorrow expiration. Let's take a quick glance at SPY now, so you can see what I was watching here. First ad was in this area, second ad was on up towards that big resistance that I was watching. Stayed in this trade till we pushed down here. I got completely out. Now let me tell you why I didn't hold it any longer. For one, that was taking a little bit of effect to the premiums, right? Time decay was working against us, even though we was a day out. I did not like this hesitation. To me, it looked like we was consolidating for a possible move up. So we come down, I trimmed roughly 10% plus in profit there, sold half my position. I set my stop loss at what I paid to enter this trade. So 115 was my average. I set my stop loss at 115 on the remainder of my put options. And that's how I managed that trade to come up hit it. So I locked in profits from that first trim. Unfortunately, hit my stop loss. I got out of that trade at what I paid to enter. But that's how you manage a trade. We did very well. Team Bull members managed their trade perfectly. Love to see it. Love to see members. I like seeing them make money, but I really like seeing them follow their trading plan, right? That's key to long-term success. Now, if you don't trade futures, you still need to watch this next part. Let's go to ES and look at this same move, okay? So, right here is the same move on ES futures. We got in here. Honestly, I was mostly out of this when we pulled down here. Let's take a look at this. I have 20 accounts linked together. I trade using Apex Trader Funding. It's a company. It's not my company. I just use them and I'm an affiliate with them. If you're interested in checking them out, I'll leave a link in the description. But I have 20 accounts linked together. I went short here, right around this 431.1 area, if I can remember. I can't remember my exact fill, but I caught the move back down to VWAP. Very nice move. And when you have 20 accounts linked together, I was light, only had 2 contracts short, caught that move down. Like I said, I ended the day on futures over 6,900. My options, I made over 500, I believe it was, right at it. I want to show you all the second trade I took as well. I just want to point that out here to show you that you can trade ES based off SPX or SPY levels. Other trade I took today was when we come down to VWAP here. I caught this bounce up, worked out nicely there. Just a VWAP bounce. I only do this when trading futures. You can catch a nice scalp if you have a nice pullback. What I like to see if I'm taking a VWAP bounce, I don't want to see it to be right at it and barely touch it. I want to see a little push down, catch it off that bounce, scalp the move back up. And that's all I have for this video. That 4,500 SPX level was a resistance level, a big level, whole psych number. And that was a trade for the day. If you have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me. I hope these recaps like this help you all out. And I appreciate you all for watching, and I will see you next time.